Out road testing your vehicle, I don't feel any drivability concerns whatsoever. The check engine light is on. The oil change isn't due for another 2,000 miles, but it is due by date. Scanned it for trouble codes, and I got 2 codes, a P0302 and a P0300 cylinder 2 misfire, and random misfire detected. So we'll get back to the shop and diagnose those codes. So the first thing I did was I pulled number 2 spark plug out and inspected it. The plug looks brand new, no issues with it. Plug wires look decent. I'm not sure if they're arcing out on the boot here or not. I'll also check that in a minute. And then I took a look at the distributor cap. It looks great. All the points look great on it. No corrosion on the coil. So I'm going to put this back together, and then we're going to test for spark output on these plug wires and make sure they're not arcing out. So I checked compression on number 1 cylinder. I got about 150 psi. On number 2 cylinder also got 150. So I have a baseline from number 1, and number 2 is doing the same. So we're good mechanically. So I got this engine running. This one's disconnected, and I got a jumper lead going to ground here. And if I move it around this coil, you can see I got spark coming out of there. But if I move it around the top here, you can see the spark is leaking out of the ignition coil boot. So this needs a new set of spark plug wires to fix the misfire.